There were numbers. Together with the arrows, they worked without a stop, controlling the progress of time. But one day came a strong wind. A hurricane flew and blew all the numbers off the clock. The numbers scattered in different directions. And time has stopped. Everything froze. Number 0 is on a different shore. Help it get to the backpack. Tap on the fog to drag it away. Tap the button so the boat sets sail. Wash the number 0. With soap first. Wash away the soap with water. Wipe the figure with a towel. Done! Tap on the bubbles. Ready? Put the number 0 in its place. Thanks! The number 1 straight into the sea. Help it get out. Throw a lifeline. Caught it! Press the blue spool to pull the number 1 to the coast. Wash the number 1. First, apply soap on a number. Wash away the soap with water. Wipe the figure with a towel. Good! Tap on the bubbles. Done! Put the number 1 in its place. Hey. Thanks for the help. Caught by a bird and carried to its nest. Let's feed the hungry baby birds with some seeds. Now assemble the ladder so number 2 can come down. Assemble the ladder from the parts. Keep it up. Wash the number 2. With soap first. Wash away the soap with water. Wipe the figure with a towel. Like this. Tap on the bubbles. Keep it up. Put the number 2 in its place. Thanks for the help. Other side of the abyss. Make a cloud road so the number can come to the backpack. Like this. Wash the number 3. First, apply soap on a number. Wash away the soap with water. Wipe the figure with a towel. Cool! Tap on the bubbles. Done! Put the number 3 in its place. Thanks for the help! Good! Wash the number 4. With soap first. Wash away the soap with water. Wipe the figure with a towel. Keep it up. Tap on the bubbles. Good! Put the number 4 in its place. Thanks! Number 5 flopped into the water and swims with fish. Push the hook so that it hooks the number, or a fish. Click the number to pull it out. Wash the number 5. First, apply soap on a number. Wash away the soap with water. Wipe the figure with a towel. Good! Tap on the bubbles. You're doing great. Put the number 5 in its place. Thanks! Drift it to the mountain's snowy top. Where is it? In a snowdrift. Let's dig it out. Tap the snow pile. The number 6 is freezing. Dress her in dry clothes, drink and feed her. Like this. Wash the number 6. With soap first. Wash away the soap with water. Wipe the figure with a towel. Good job! Tap on the bubbles. Cool! Put the number 6 in its place. Now I'm safe! To the hut to the good witch. Unfortunately, she's not at home and the door is locked. Help the number to get out. Pick up the key to each lock. Like this. Wash the number 7. First, apply soap on a number. Wash away the soap with water. Wipe the figure with a towel. Ready? Tap on the bubbles. Good! Put the number 7 in its place. Now I'm safe!